Welcome everyone, this is Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Today is April 18, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today I'm going to be analyzing the week of April 20 to the 24, and we're going to be analyzing 4 different pairs. So this is only the pre-week. If you really want to see tomorrow's full analysis, which is coming on April 19, 2020, a Sunday, you need to subscribe. So this is brought to you by Triple Arrow System, the best system in the world. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel, guys. And just let me give you the disclaimer. Just want to make sure we all are in the same page. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds. So what? And hundreds of pip. That's what we're here for, guys. Believe it or not. And remember, we come in every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're going to be analyzing our pre-week analysis and our full analysis that is going to be released tomorrow, Sundays. All right. So make sure that you hit that bell notification, because it's very important for you, only if you want to see our full analysis for tomorrow, for the week of April 20 to the 24. And let me give you another reminder, guys. Make sure you give us a thumbs up so we have more liking than dislike. We know there's one particular person, I'm not gonna say the name, but there's one particular person that has 2 accounts on YouTube and is disliking it, which is fine. It's fine. But we're still doing our job. So remember, we analyzed 14 different pairs last Wednesday, and only gold went against us, which is a damn pretty good. Make sure you subscribe as well. All right. Make sure you hit that bell notification, because it's very, very important for you to do that. All right, let's go ahead and start. Look at what we're going to start today. We're going to start with gold. This is on 4 hours. Look at the time frame that I'm using, guys. I'm using 4 hours. All right, so what is my analysis? Look at what I told you guys on Wednesday. To be honest, I don't think this pair went against us. But since someone asked me, I give it a credit. It went a little bit above my entry, but it was fine. But even if you wouldn't have your stop loss, it's still, the market wouldn't take you out. But now we do have our fully. What do you see here? When you see a beautiful triple arrow coming down, that equal, let me see, let me tap it here. Look at the triple arrows doing equal what? Sell. The triple arrow is telling us clearly the market is in a bearish downtrend. That's what I said last Wednesday, and I still buy. That's what it's doing. I get a lot of messages today and yesterday, Friday, where people were saying, "Irvin, I made tons of pips out of gold." Well, there is the proof, guys. Triple arrow don't lie. If you don't have the triple arrow system, guys, the link is below. Go ahead and click on the link. Just remember one thing, the triple arrow, there's a new version that is coming up, which is going to be better and stronger. So in order for you to get that, the free licenses of that one is only if you subscribe to our triple arrow system, where we're going to be giving you $20 cash back anyway. So it's a damn pretty good deal. So the link is below. Okay, so make sure you check it out if you want to keep making your life, improve your life one way or another in 2020. All right, so what I have for this week on this one is I'm looking for the market to continue down and retest R23 to R50 Fibonacci line. From that point on, it's going to do a small pullback, retesting R23 to R0 Fibonacci line. And what do you think it's going to do next? Bam! It's going to head down, because the master trend, not the master trend, the triple arrow is telling us the trend is bearish down. So that's all I have for you on gold. So hopefully this makes sense. If you do have any question, please let me know, or do me a favor. If you have any question, all you gotta do is what? Comment below, guys. Comment below, because I'm here and I'm reading your comment. All right, so that's the only way that I can help you if you have any issue. All right, so but that's what I have for you guys on gold. The next pair that I'm gonna be analyzing today is on Euro USD. Oh, I didn't even know I was on there. Pay attention to this one, guys. On this particular trade, we look at what the triple arrow is doing. First of all, pay attention to what triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. So last Wednesday, I gave you guys a small pullback, right? So the pullback, I totally forgot to close this one. So on this one, the market is giving us it gave us a bearish market. Now, for the week of April 20 to the 24, I'm looking for a continuation of the market. Now the market is going to continue up. It's going to go ahead and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. From that point on, the market is going to come back and retest our 38.25. And then what do you think we'll do next? Exactly. That's a damn pretty good bullish market. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if you agree with me or not, but you don't have to. But you got to agree on one damn thing. We all have to agree how the triple arrow is fully performed, guys. Last Wednesday at the 14th pair, only one damn trade wins against us. But in my opinion, it was still a valid trade. But you know, we decide to go ahead and put it as a negative. What 14 out of 1? That's a damn pretty good, man. That's damn pretty good. All triple arrow is the best system, guys. I don't care what you guys thinking, but look at that. When triple arrow come in, it's a beast, guys. Look at that. Let me type it out because it seems like it. I like it anyway. Look at that. Triple arrow equal what? Equal buy. That's what it's doing. I don't see anything telling me, okay, market is gonna come down for a very long time. No, it's time for the market to continue as a bullish market. Hopefully all this makes sense. If you guys have any question, please let me know. Comment below, guys. That is the only way that's the only way that I can help you out. All right, so make sure that you do that. So let me clean this up so we all can be nice and clean. All right, so the next pair that I'm going to be analyzing for you today is the USDCHF. Look at what I'm doing here. I'm giving you this setup on 1 hour. I don't even know why I keep doing 1 hour, guys. I really don't like 1 hour, but I don't even know. But anyway, I'm on 1 hour, so I'm not going to change it. So what I'm looking to see on this pair, in this particular pair, is come back and retest our mid 38 to our 50 Fibonacci. I had this too thick. And then for that point on, the market is going to continue as bullish market. So come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. where we're going to be analyzing this pair all over again. Pay attention what 1 hour is giving us here. It's giving us a triple arrow pullback. Look at when the triple arrow come down. It comes down. Look at when the triple arrow came as a bullish. The market went up. It's that simple, guys. Triple arrow is a super easy system to use. If you don't have the triple arrow system, the link is below, guys. All you have to do is check it out. We are going to give you $20 cash back anyway. So make sure you check it out. All right. So, and also subscribe. So because tomorrow I'm going to be dropping the new link, and I will not drop it into our chat room if you are thinking of that. Also, I do have my private Telegram as well. And I create a public Telegram for you guys so you guys can see. Sometimes I throw signals in there, to be honest. And so I don't do signals, but I can do it on my own channel. So if you want to do that, check it out and subscribe if you want to learn more about it. All right. But this is an amazing week, guys. Hopefully we are going to be squeezing hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. That's what we're here for. And that's the only things we need to agree. All right, let's go ahead and analyze the next pair. Look at what I have here. I have a gorgeous Euro NCD pair. Look at the time frame that I'm using here. I'm using a 4 hours time frame. Clearly, it's telling us the market is in a bullish market. But look at what the market gave us prior to our bullish market. Market gave us a triple arrow coming down. That's perfectly what it was doing. Now the market is giving us a small retracement back on our triple arrow and our triple arrow system. So what I'm looking forward to see here, to be honest, I'm looking to see a small continuation of the trend, retesting our mid 78 to our 61 Fibonacci line. From that point on, the market will continue down. I will explain it to you on Wednesday when we meet. But remember, this is super easy, guys. I don't see anything wrong on how to use the Fibonacci and so on. So I don't know if you guys are struggling or not. You know, send me a message. We can wrestle this in private and we can talk about it and see how I can help you. but my private link is below. Actually, let me show you how to do it, okay? Because a lot of people keep writing me message, Irvin, I don't know what the link is. Well, let me go ahead and bring it up so you can see it, because sometimes that's the only way that really people learn. But I don't know if you're that kind of person, but I'm just saying in general, all right? So and remember, guys, the triple arrow is gonna get better and stronger, okay? That is a thing that is coming, and you would love it. All right, so let me bring this video here, which is mine, right? So let me skip that. Look at here, guys. So all you gotta do is when you open any of my previous week, so all you gotta do is click what it says show more, and look at here, we got the triple arrow system link in there. We got my private Telegram. That's where you're gonna, if you want to ask me a question one-on-one, that's where you're gonna go. If you want, I highly recommend everyone to join the Share Public Telegram. That's where I usually drop a lot of an amazing setup, only if you want to, right? I also have a Robinhood, free stock, SoFi, online finances, the broker I use, in case a lot of people ask me, Irvin, what broker do you use? Well, there it is. All right, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. But what I'm expecting to see on this one, to be honest, like I said, you know, I'm expecting to see is more retracement, retesting our 78 to our 61 Fibonacci line, and from that point it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. It's gonna go as bearish market. We're gonna come back anyway on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna reanalyze the entire market. Make sure you subscribe for tomorrow's video. It's gonna be pretty amazing. Hopefully you don't miss it, and you all gonna love it, because I already checked it out and it's simple and amazing one. All right, so do you guys have any question, guys? Any question? No? Well, if you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Try to guess, guys. Try to guess, because I'm gonna do this.